Hi, welcome to Jackie Burns Creations. So glad to see you back. I am doing a 5 for 5 collaboration. I'll get to the ladies in just a minute. So I got this little rolling pin at Hobby Lobby for on sale. There were 2 in the pack, and there were supposed to be 3. So it was pretty cheap. And I thought, oh, I bought one before that was so cute. And I thought, well, I can do that. So I got this cute paper. Came in a pad that I got at Hobby Lobby. And as you can see, I painted and distressed the handles. Just getting it to where I can get it on there straight. I know it seems so early for Christmas, but being a crafter, you've got to start Christmas early. And I used to retail sales. My reps would go to market in January for the summer and in June for the winter. So it was way ahead. Isn't that cute paper? The holly on it. And I cut the Mary out on my Cricut. Okay, so it's 5 for 5 DIY challenge. It is Emily from Farm Charm Chic, Connie from Connie Creative Creations, she's the co-host, and Missy from So I found these blocks at the thrift store quite a while ago. They were 50 cents a piece. I'm just painting them with my chalk paint. And once they dried, I decided to just distress can't say anything today. Distress all the edges. And I painted all the sides except for underneath. Now I'm going to put them together. I am putting a little, I think I need a little bit of wood glue so these won't pop off. And it's Gorilla wood glue, really strong. And just a little bit of hot glue. When I was watching crafts, I don't know, about 6 years ago, the first time I saw somebody do that, I thought, oh my gosh, that's so smart. You don't have to wait for it to dry. Did you see what I did with that one block? I put it on the top. Duh. So I just kind of offset these a little bit. I saw this on Pinterest and thought it was so adorable. And I'm gonna draw the little face on with a oil marker. It's a Sharpie. Gotta give him some eyebrows. Okay, I took a little piece of dowel rod and I carved it to a point, but you couldn't see me on camera, so I cut that out. Anyway, I put a little hot glue on his nose and stuck it on there. There he is. I think he's adorable. This paper I got from Jamie Ray Vintage. It's about 18 pound. It's a lot thicker than tissue paper or napkins. You can cut these apart. So that's what I did, is I took these little pictures and I put them what you call reverse. Instead of facing out, they're facing in. So I did that on both of them. 2 jars. And I can't remember if these jars came together or were single, because they're kind of small. But these pictures are just so cool. You can tell I was going crazy that day using the pictures. And I bought 3 sheets, and I'm going to send one to somebody, and I think she'll like it. Now, I was making a window on the front. I should have probably made it a little bit bigger so you could see inside better. Okay, we learn. I know for next time. Anyway, cutting out these out of transfer tape or clear vinyl or whatever you want to call it. It took me forever to get that thing off. Got a little bit of Mod Podge on there, so I'm trying to get it off. So I'm just adjusting it. Not too high. And now I'm painting it all white with the chalk paint. And you go right over the picture, and then you peel up your clear vinyl. It leaked a little bit underneath, but I'm just kind of scratching it off. See how you can see the picture inside? And I thought, well, I think I need to decorate inside. So that's what I did. Oh, getting this other one off. Getting ahead of myself there. Just gonna clean this up a little bit. It was really good all the way around, but both tops, I think, because they started curving, had some leakage underneath. So I got out my goodies. I swear, I am the biggest person to struggle with packaging. Ugh. So I put a little glue on the end, and I'm taking a tweezer and poking it down in there. And just trying to move it to the right position. Now I got these little tiny packages at Target. It came, 4 or 5 in a package, and did the same, put a little glue on them and put them down in there, trying to adjust. It was hard though because the bottom wasn't completely flat. There was a little bit of a hump in there. Would have been much easier if it had been flat. Okay, you can see in there. And I took some of the snow that I got from Dollar Tree. I love this snow. I hate those foam ones. Yeah, this is messy, but who cares? It's cool. And I'm screwing the lids back on. Shaking that snow around. That darn glare. I think these would be fun for kids. Glue the lid down and give it to them as a present. And then there they are, all done. Okay, I had a red, a bright red, and a little bit of a darker red. And I'm mixing them together because I don't want a real bright red. But I'm going to decorate the crate to look like some books. I don't know if it ended up looking like books, but painting it was easy. See, isn't that a better color of red? If you don't like one, mix it with another one. Just bringing it around to the sides. I guess I could have just painted them solid. Just kind of trying to match up the lines. I could have drawn on it, but I didn't. I just kind of eyeballed it. And when I feel like messing with my Cricut again, I'll do wording on both sides. So when it's sitting on a tier tray, you can see both sides. So I'm putting a ribbon around it. I'm blocking up the holes. It's too bad they just don't make some boxes that are just boxes. That's a Dollar Tree item. If you didn't know, but I'm sure you did. Trying to figure out if I was going to go around it again or what I was going to do. So I just wrapped this around my fingers because I'm going to make a small bow. I tried to use this, that ribbon. It was terrible. It just frayed all over the place. I swear this challenge was a learning for me. So I cut this out on my Cricut and I'm putting it on, and boy did I have a fun time doing this. Not, I swear, I never seem to get the right transfer tape. I tried the Dollar Tree kind. No. So then I tried the contact paper. Yeah, it worked a little better. Sorry, I'm out of line a little bit, but I got these crosses last year at Walmart. Found them in my stash. And it says Silent Night, and then on the cross it says, Oh Holy Night. So I thought I'll just kind of put this on the edge here. Yeah, Silent Night, Holy Night. And here it is all done. I put a little poinsettia on there, a little bit of greenery. Well, I like that you came to see me. Please subscribe, and here's my final look. Bye.